So we've got this 1991 Nissan Atlas 150 fire truck currently up for auction on Bring a Trailer. Loads of photos and videos over there already for it, but nice lazy Sunday today. I thought it'd be a fun time to show off some of the different siren options that this bad boy comes with. So quite a lot going on in terms of the instrumentation here, but we've got 3 primary sirens. We'll check them out. We got the chimes and what I call the rolling up, and then the rolling down. Oh. Add to that, you've got a PA system. Go with the classic test, test, test. But more importantly, the best mode is when you go into Van Halen mode. Let's kick on the lights while we're at it.